Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and SHIB in that order. And guys, I know a lot of you guys are probably asking yourself what happened. I personally, I was expecting maybe 60,000 to hold, but that didn't hold. So we hit our bottom lines in the sand here, around coming in around 58,500 to 58,900, and we got right in between here. You can see my two lines that I had jumped up here. I even had a purple box coming across here at one point. But yeah, we kind of hit in that area, and then my last line of defense was this 57,634 area, and that was the previous low back here. But you can see where we got this mark from over here in this area, um, where they almost brought it down there. They were literally a couple dollars away. But let's see if we get a bounce here. Right now, this is a tug of war candle. This was a tug of war candle. And what I mean by tug of war candles, guys, you'll see when there's buying and selling, and then in between, you'll see this little, you can see how the wick looks the same here and the wick looks the same here. It's not top heavy like right here. This is called tug of war. They don't know. Bulls and bears are fighting here. Bulls and bears are fighting here. The bears have been winning this. You can see where they won it here, and they brought it down to 59. But let's see if this is a reversal here. This could turn into a reversal, so let's see if that happens. I really want to see Bitcoin get a back above 63, but we did get the bounce, guys, off of our 50-day moving average from yesterday's video, which we talked about that potentially being a bounce area. The 50-day likes to hold as support. So what I don't want to see is a daily candle closing under the current 50-day moving average, which is coming in right around 59,184 area. Yeah, I don't want to see that. So as long as that doesn't happen, this should still continue to the upside. This just looks kind of like a bump in the road right here for me right now. Is it looking ugly? Yes. Do I want to break above this last candle's high? Yes, above 63,600 area. I would love to see that. But if not, maybe a little sideways and up. As long as we hold above this 50-day. If we get under it, then that could get a little ugly because then it could act as resistance. You can see what happens when we do break down out of it. It gets ugly quick. But then we did get the W here that we called on my channel. Then we broke down here, all the way up here. You can see after we broke down here, what happened, guys. It got really ugly quick. I mean, that's when we called this on my channel as well, but we called these lows. And then once we break above the 50, you can see where it gets nice and juicy. We get this nice run. We hit my resistance right here. We drew this line up. We got our bounce perfect. Then we talked about the W. We broke that. Guys, remember, I was talking about this W, all these patterns before they happened. So that's the key to technical analysis. When you see this forming right here and you got a good base, right when this candle hit, I said, guys, potential W, and I even drew it out right here. You can see the W. This was down here. We caught the dead bottom of this. Then we got the W. I said, you can wait for it to break if you want, or you can, buy this W and just put your stop a little bit underneath this support line, which, that's what we talked about at the time in my video. Someone asked me think about this, guys. Someone asked me when this was 45,000, should I get it when it breaks the W? I'm not in it right now. I said, yeah, get it once it breaks, and they got it. I mean, that's what, $15,000 right there. So, not bad, right? But right now, it's not looking good. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but let's see if this 50 holds up. If not, I want to see this 57,600 hold up. All right, so Ethereum, I had this little line here. I had this box back here. All I did was move this box over. We talked about this in yesterday's video, 41,018 to 40,000 or 4,090. I'm sorry, I said 41. 4,118 to 4,090 area, 4,080 area. Could be a potential bounce. If not, I just want to see 4,000 hold up. Well, we got the bounce here, so let's see if this continues. Hopefully it does. for Ethereum. If not, I want to see us get a 4-hour candle closing. Let's look at the 4-hour chart real quick. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 43.70. That would look very bullish, or even this 43.84 area. If we could do that, then we can get back up in the 45 and get back up into a decent range. Right now, this is still looking, not so good. So keep that in mind. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin here. Matic. Wait, I went to the upside targets. Yeah, downside. I just want to see 4,000 hold up. If not, then yes, we could get to this 38.70 area or even 39. I believe I had, I think I erased it yesterday. God, I should have kept that on there. Right, you know what? This area right here, 39.61. So 39.61 could be a nice area for a bounce as well. So keep that in mind, guys. They might want to try to pull a fast one on you and, get it down there, get everybody scared, and then bounce it. All right. So keep that in mind. That's for Ethereum. Matic, we almost hit our bottom area at 145, $1.45. We got down to 146, I believe. Yeah, 146. And now we're getting the bounce. But now look, guys, this is what happens when you fall under the 50. Now it's acting as resistance. So now we just touched it on Matic, and now we're getting rejected. And that's what I don't want to see happen to Bitcoin. Okay. I want to see us break above here, and I want to get it back above $1.60. Get a 4-hour candle closing above there, and then maybe we could see some more upside. To the downside, I want to see $1.45 to $1.44 hold up. If not, then $1.40 and $1.35. Okay, or even this 200-day moving average that's coming in right around $1.35. So let's see if that holds up for Matic. Cardano, guys, man, this got a lot uglier than I thought it was going to get. Yeah, I was thinking, 184 would be a nice area for a bounce. That didn't happen. 176 came in. Yeah, what can I say, guys? It's not looking good. Like I said, this is not looking good. I'm waiting for a potential bounce here, but this is not looking good currently right now. Yeah, none of these indicators are looking good. Let's look at Matic. We are oversold on the daily. So this can turn around here pretty soon, guys. It might take another day, or we can see it right here. But I'm expecting this to turn around. If it's not today, maybe tomorrow. Could we go lower? Yeah, I mean, it just depends. It depends how these moving averages play out. This is tough, guys. It's tough for everybody. We're all in this together. This is not fun, unless you're shorting. Then yeah, it's fun. If you're playing that game, but I have my holding portfolio and some long portfolios here. This is not fun when you're losing money for any of us. Okay, when you're holding, but we all know this is going to turn around. But they're bringing it down. That guys, it was way over leveraged. Everything was over leveraged, and now we're seeing the effects from it. So that's what we're looking at. For Cardano, I still want to see a 4-hour candle closing above $1.93, and I want to see $1.70 hold up. Okay, Solana, guys, we almost hit my 212. I didn't even have that target yesterday because I didn't think it was going to get all the way down there. 212 and then 205. Let's see if 205 holds up if the 212 breaks. That's what I'm looking at for Solano. To the upside, I just want to see us break this trend and get back above, I want to see us get back above 230, get a 4-hour candle closing above 230, 235. That would look very nice for Solano. to the downside, 205 and 196 area. I want to see that hold. Okay. SHIB, guys, look at this. We got our bounce perfect off of SHIB. We talked about this 4,500. Look, I'll just move my box over like I did with the Ethereum. And we got our bounce right off of the 45, which is nice. But now we're getting rejected right off my 49.30 area. Look, 49.20. But off the 49.30 area that I had here, we're actually getting that rejected. So what I want to see is, close back above, let's say 51.20. I want to see his back 4-hour candle closing above there. First, we do got to break this 49.30 area. And what I want to see hold up is the 45 to 44. If that doesn't hold, then I want to see the 41.09 hold up. I want to see that area anywhere from 41 to 39. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for SHIB, Arnie. And upside, like I said, 4-hour candle closing above 51.20 and 5400 even. Okay, so I think we covered everything. Let me go ahead and go back. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Anything we see, just nastiness. Ugh, this is disgusting. I mean, there's a slight M here. I don't want to see that break. I mean, the target would be just back around this 58 range again. Matic or Ethereum, let's go to the 1 hour. I mean, look, as long as these hold, that's all we need. We need just to hold the ground here. Let's see, Matic 1 hour. Let's see if this is. I mean, you can draw these trends, guys, if you want on the 1 hour. See if these trends break. We're gonna do this with Matic. We're gonna do this with Ethereum. We're gonna see if these trends can hold up. Okay. See if we can get some candles closing out of these trends. 1 hour Bitcoin up top here. I'm not a fan of the 1 hour trends. I'd rather have the 4 hour, but let's see if we can break any of these trends here and get a clean move to the upside. All right. Matic, we just did that one. Cardano. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'd rather draw this trend on the 4 hour because Cardano has just been, ever since it got to that $3 mark, it's just been nothing but disaster. See if we can break this trend here. Get a 4 hour candle closing above that trend. Let's see Solana. Let's go to the 4 hour. We still got this trend currently on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour, see if we see anything kind of short-term pop. We can draw this trend here on the 1 hour. Okay, see if that'll do something, give us some momentum. SHIB, let's go to the 4 hour. Nope, not enough there. We still got this trend in the 4 hour that we drew from the other day, which we never broke. And I'm going to keep that trend, guys. So just this little trend right here. But I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. All I can say is let's just hang in there, battle. As long as, like I said, as long as we can stay above this daily here at the 50, it looks like we're getting a tug of war battle right now. Let's see if that holds up, and then we'll go from there, guys. So just keep an eye on that 50-day moving average. It's you can go to TradingView and go to indicators and just type in moving averages, and then go to settings and turn it to 50. Okay, and that's what you want to see. Let's see if that holds up. All right. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to you guys. I'm going to be showing you some good things here coming up. I'm getting it all together for you guys. I just want to make sure that, what I'm showing you, I don't want any kinks or anything bad involved. I don't want anybody losing money. Of course, all of us can do that when we're playing this game. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. I mean, I get it. We're all in that boat, but I've created this channel for everybody to prosper and do and learn and do the best they can with what they have. So that's what we're doing this here for. So much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and peace out.